Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to remove a Chevy Cruze door panel. Before we begin, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver, a Torx T20 star bit, and an automotive panel tool. The panel tool is crucial for safely prying without causing damage. If you plan to access the speakers, a 7mm socket and a 1/4-inch drive ratchet will also be necessary. Having these items ready will make the process much smoother. Now, let's start by removing the visible fasteners. First, use your small flathead screwdriver to carefully pry out the plastic trim panel located behind the door opener handle. Once that's off, you'll find a Torx T20 screw. Remove it. Next, lift the rubber cover at the bottom of the armrest pull handle well to expose and remove another Torx T20 screw. Finally, gently pry off the small sail panel at the top corner of the door frame, which is held by 2 plastic clips. With the screws removed, it's time to detach the main panel. Start at the bottom edge of the door panel and firmly pull it away from the door frame to disengage the plastic friction fasteners. You can use your automotive panel tool to assist. Work your way around the bottom and sides until all clips are released. Once free, lift the entire door panel straight up and off the top lip of the door frame. Then, disconnect the door opener cable and any electrical harnesses by pressing their release tabs. To reinstall the door panel, first reconnect all electrical harnesses and the door opener cable. Ensure the cable's metal ball is seated correctly in its socket and the blue clip is secured. Next, align the top edge of the door panel with the window channel and the door frame lip. Once properly seated, firmly press around the edges of the panel to snap all the plastic friction fasteners back into place. Finally, reinstall the 2 Torx T20 screws and all trim pieces in the reverse order of their removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.